This is for that kid that's dreaming to be a rapper or singer. What else? An actor or doctor. Keep your head up. You can make it happen. Anything is possible. Believe in yourself. Then take it from there. All you gotta do is go for what you want. Then you will get there. Just don't let nobody tell you what you can and cannot do. How can another individual tell you how to move? I got control of my life, positive thoughts in my mind, telling me that I'm gonna succeed long as I try. So no, I won't stop and I won't quit. Even when I'm done with this, I'ma keep on going way past the end without pretending. Look, my mind on winning. Losing is not an option. Hey, don't say nothing. Just watch me live this life of a dreamer. 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 This is the life of a dreamer.